Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to get free TikTok followers with no human verification. So of course you're on TikTok and you want to go ahead and just get some more followers for free. The first thing you're going to need is your account name. To find that, all you have to do is go down to where it says me in the bottom right hand corner. Click on me and you can see I'm in my account labeled Demo Account 001 right there at the top underneath my profile picture. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That would really help me out. Thanks a lot, guys. But for real though, the next step you're going to do is go down to the description of this video, click on the link, and that will bring you to a page that looks like this. It is called Insta Followers. You'll be taken to a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to scroll down to where you see underneath popular services, it says TikTok Services. Click on TikTok Services. That's going to open up a page that looks like this, where you can scroll down almost at the bottom where it says Free TikTok Followers. Click on Free TikTok Followers. Here you're going to want to enter in just a little bit of information, your username that we just gathered from the Me tab on TikTok. Go ahead and type in your username. Mine is Demo Account 001. Click on the next box. It found my demo account, and it also has identified that it's going to be giving me 100 followers completely for free. There's my price right there. It is a free trial. They're trying to entice you to go ahead and get more followers, purchased followers from this website, Insta Followers. So to go ahead and get your free followers, just go ahead and click on Get Free Followers. And it says right there, your transaction is queued. Please do not close the page while the transaction is in progress. Thank you for testing our free service. You just wait for that bar to go ahead and say 100%. And then you might have to reopen your app. So close it out and reopen it, refresh it. And then you will start to see your followers appear on your TikTok page. I hope this video helped you out on how to get free TikTok followers with no human verification. If it did, smash like and consider subscribing because we talk about this sort of thing often here. Thanks for watching. Take care.